Y'all, welcome back to the Big Country channel. It's been a minute since I've done a YouTube video, so I got up this morning. Everybody's kind of left the house. I'm here by myself. Just got my deer back from the processors, and we got some stew meat. My son and I both, I killed a little 5-point buck, and my son, he killed a doe. So we got our meat back from Hickory Hills Processor out there in South Carolina. We're going to go ahead and season our meat, and we're going to do this little slow cooker hearty beef stew. We're going to put that bad boy in there with the potatoes. And we also got some carrots and some celery we're going to dice up. We're going to put that bad boy over there in the crock pot and let it do its deal. So if you guys will stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and get this stuff prepped up. We'll go ahead and get our meat seasoned and everything. And we will be right back with you. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we've got everything all cleaned up, ready to go. What I have in here, I've got 4 of those russet potatoes, about this size. Got 4 of those potatoes in there, sliced up, ready to go. Just got a handful of carrots here that I sliced up, and I've got 2 celery sticks that I took and sliced them up. So those are ready to go. So we can go ahead and dump these on into the crock pot. Next thing is, this is our deer meat. I have not seasoned it yet, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So we got some peppercorn, black pepper here. So we'll go ahead and put some of that pepper on there. We'll put some oil on that sucker. Alright, put a little kosher salt on here. Always season your meat. I don't understand people put stuff in there and not even season it. You gotta put a little something on there. Alright. Also gonna put some little onion powder on this meat. Alright, got some onion there, and we're gonna put some garlic on there. Alright, and we'll give that kind of mix in there a little bit, let that get all nice and happy. Some old healthy good deer meat right there. Deer meat's got some good color to it, don't it? Alright, we'll go ahead and add that in. If I can get in there without the paper plate, there we go. Alright, we got that in there. And this right here is just a 1 1/3 cup of water. And also got that beef stew mix in there. And all you gotta do is pour this right on over this. Alright, that's done. Let me move this camera over here so y'all can see how pretty that's looking. Alright, can y'all see that pretty good? Alright, let me go get me a spoon and we'll stir that up a bit. Oh, I've got stuff falling in the sink. Alright, so we'll go ahead and stir that up. Get all that coated in there. It says you can put this on low in a slow cooker and let it cook for about 8 hours. Or cut it to time in half. Cook this on high, you can do it in about 4 hours. I'm gonna put it on. We're gonna put it on an 8-hour cook because we got plenty of time. All right, we want to get that all stirred up in there. Get that sauce all coated in there. Let it cover that meat, cover those carrots. And all this, you know, guys, this is going to cook down over 8 hours. It's going to be some good eating. My plan is while this is cooking, that we're going to we'll put some rice in the rice cooker, and we're going to put this over some nice rice. So y'all stay tuned for the finished product. All right, guys, we are done with this venison stew. It comes out so tender. Look at this fork tender. It just tears apart. Look at that. Look at that. How tender that is. It's cooked all the way through. We've been cooking it now for about 6 hours. Potatoes are nice and tender. Very simple recipe. One you can try at home with your family. Easy to throw it in a crock pot and forget about it. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Come back by and see me now.